Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I bring to you a recipe that's quite popular in South India. It is a biscuit or a cookie recipe that literally melts in your mouth and hence is a favorite among kids. It is called the Benne Biscuit, as Benne in Kannada means butter. So let's begin. For the recipe we will need 100 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida, 40 grams of powdered sugar. You can take regular granular sugar and grind it to a powder in a mixer grinder. 50 grams of clarified butter or ghee and a pinch of salt. Now to begin, mix the sugar and the salt with the all-purpose flour and then add the ghee in parts to form a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, line a baking tray with parchment paper. Form small balls out of the dough, press them lightly on the top and place them on the baking tray. Now these biscuits or cookies are ready to go in the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for about 12 to 14 minutes. Our Benne biscuits are now ready to serve.